Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota RAV4 oil. First, gather your tools: a 14mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure your RAV4 is on a level surface and the engine has cooled down. Safety is key, so wear protective eyewear and gloves. Have your new oil, typically 0W20 synthetic, and a new oil filter ready. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe oil change process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Slide under your RAV4 and locate the oil drain plug, usually a 14mm bolt, on the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly beneath it. Using your 14mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the drain plug. Be ready for the oil to flow out. Let it drain completely, which usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring all the old, dirty oil is removed before proceeding. Next, we'll replace the filter and add fresh oil. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin film of new oil to its rubber gasket. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn with the wrench. Now, pour the recommended amount of new oil, usually about 4.5 quarts of 0W20 synthetic, into the engine through the oil fill cap. Finally, let's perform some crucial checks. Start your engine and let it run for a minute, then turn it off. Check the oil level with the dipstick, adding more if necessary. Carefully inspect around the drain plug and oil filter for any leaks. Don't forget to reset your RAV4 maintenance required light on the dashboard. Remember to properly dispose of the old oil at an authorized recycling center. Great job, your oil change is complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.